camera is good. You can see my. Subir insecure. Wow. Wow. Nice. Hi, bestie. Pretty spoon. Yeah. I like this. Why are baby ants? I think it's karmic in nature, like it's karma or something that these ants are biting me. So they say, because it's a very simple reason. And it's like I'm entering like YouTuber apology video territory. So there is like like a month ago maybe, I don't even know. I don't know what is time. What is time? Time is weird. I don't even know how long ago. I don't know how long a day is. Anyway, I was upset that there are so many ants everywhere, like they're everywhere, right? I was upset, and there's so many of them. So I looked it up, and you can actually eat ants, red ants. You can eat them. So that's what I started doing. Because I was so upset and I thought, you know what, you're biting me, so I'm gonna eat you now. You're in my food, might as well. I'm like not, and then my mom reminded me that I'm vegetarian. Yeah, I'm vegetarian and by choice, and I'm gonna keep talking about it like it's the biggest thing. Somewhere in 2019, I decided to go vegetarian, and why did I do that? I just did it. I got sick. I didn't get sick of it. I'm sorry to people who eat meat. I used to eat it. I loved it. I didn't get sick of it. I just thought I was jaded and I didn't want to do that anymore. I don't have great gut health. I don't have great gut health. So I just randomly started eating, randomly stopped eating. Not randomly. I don't like animal. I don't want to. It's violent. Anyway, yeah, I'm good now. So my mom reminded me that it's actually not very vegetarian of me to be picking ants off and like doing this. I literally just did it. I just picked an ant off and look at me now. Look at what I'm doing right now. Oh, this by the way, this is Diwali. That happened. I'm not a very festive person now. I like celebrating. I just sometimes I don't. Alright. I mean, no. Maybe we grew up celebrating like just like the smallest things within the family, so we didn't have like much celebratory anything. And then now suddenly there's like, now we're in India, right? So there's reason to be, I don't know. Anyway, so this I haven't done in years, but like I did it now, so that's nice. It's whatever. It's whatever. Okay, it's nothing's really that deep. Nothing is deep if you think about it. There's nothing that's deep. So, yeah, you know what ants. So, I'm still vegetarian though, which is still racist. I stopped eating ants after that day. They actually one bit me on my tongue. That was not good. But they're actually great protein, so you should try. Like maybe if I crushed them better, they wouldn't bite me. But they do this thing. They get stuck in your. They get like if you don't chew them, they get stuck on your tongue, and they're still releasing that. Is it formic acid? They're still releasing that formic acid, and it hurts. It hurts so bad. Like it hurt, and then I stopped. But if I crush them better, and soup, good soup, good soup. Houses came under Pani Agya, what? That's insane. People's houses are flooding and all that, which is very cool. Anyway, it's not cool, I'm so sorry, what? Yeah, actually I like the rain quite a bit because, first of all, I should learn how to multitask because I'm wasting everyone's time. I need breakfast. No, but I'll come to that. Look, I love the rain, alright? I love the rain. I have loved it ever since I was a kid. Because I grew up in dry places. I should stop that. Anyway, I grew up in Muscat, so we don't have a lot of rain, so this is really, wow, freak of nature stuff is happening. So yeah, I love rain. But now I'm sick of it. It's funny how I wanted rain 2 days ago, and then now I'm sick of it. So that's just how it is with me. That's just how it is with humans. There's this never-ending cycle of want. The gas was on! It's just this never-ending cycle of want. It's crazy. But always greedy for something. I mean, it's not even greed. Greed sounds negative. But there's a very positive nature to the fact that humans constantly want something. Yeah, humans constantly want something, and it's very fun. It's very cool to see that because you know what? It's scary accepting the fact that we are just floating on this rock. We are on a floating rock or something. Right. That's something that's weird. Anyway, I hated the fireworks, by the way. I hated that. I should learn how to multitask. First of all, I'm wasting everyone's time. I don't know how many I put in. Man. 4, 5, 6. For me and my sister, I'm making oats. Why am I making oats? First of all, this is so bad for my gut. This is so bad. It's not, look, I have generally like a sensitive gut, alright? And right in the morning, if I'm gonna have dairy and like milk and gluten, because I'm not sure if this oats is gluten free. Usually, the thing about oats, you might say it's gluten free, but usually it's grown near wheat, so or something. I don't know. I looked this up. It's usually grown near wheat, so fire. What? Do I want that actually? But yeah. Although I'll use some honey as well. It's burning. Yeah, so I have like, okay, you know what? See, back in, like, I spent the whole year, like, I spent like 2020, a major chunk of 2020 and 21. I spent it in Muscat. My dad used to make these fruit bowls, like these huge fruit bowls, like with like all sorts of fruits, like huge. Really, one whole bowl of fruit and like another of salad. I should stop talking about Muscat. Look at the amount of time I've spent talking about Muscat. Almost like I missed the place. Almost. I don't want to get into it. I should stop. About milk, my mom's gonna laugh at this. I had made almond milk a few days ago. I made it myself, right? And do your thing, bro. Yeah, I made almond milk myself, and it got spoiled in one day. I need raisins. I hated the fireworks. I hated it. But I also did have like a mental breakdown. A mentee bee. I had a mentee bee on the terrace the other day, but it was like they were doing fireworks on top of my head, right? And there was these beautiful sparks of light everywhere on my head, and I was sobbing. I had my reasons, but I was sobbing. Like I sat down to cry, and it was really pretty. Very main character, 13 out of 10 would recommend. I was sobbing. It was so dramatic. That's so funny now. What the hell? It's weird. Yum. Look at what? Kya hai ye? Anyway, I'm gonna start flipping. I've had trouble falling asleep for the longest time now. I don't even remember when it started. I don't like sleeping anymore. I don't know, it's been like years now that I sleep fine, but I can't sleep, like I can't have one dreamless night, and it's very frustrating. It's really frustrating. Because it is. I have like really bad dreams, and banana okay. Yeah, I have like terrible dreams which are very lucid, very realistic. Last night's dream had me like, I don't know, I have like sleep paralysis as well. Last night's like dream, I saw this friend of mine who very abruptly stopped talking to me. Funny because everybody abruptly stops talking to me. Not to antagonize them, but you know what? This is my story, this is my channel. So if they're being antagonized, I don't care. Yeah, so Feto, I saw her in my dreams. I don't know if you're watching this. She's like 2016. We were so tight, and then suddenly she disappeared on me and disappeared on most people. She disappeared on Earth. So I don't know where you are. I hope you're fine. I really miss you. You should probably text me back because that shit hurts. Yeah, I had this like really, it's sad that I had the dream because, first of all, yuck, what am I doing? This is, me pitting dates is, I don't like seeing it. I'll show it to you though. I love that. Love that. Wait, these are pumpkin seeds on it. Yeah, they're pumpkin seeds. I don't know why I'm putting this spoon in, but a little bit of peanut butter. I think that's enough. Oh yeah. Final, madam, final. हो गया, बस stop. Yay. That's what I'm eating. I mean, it's pretty base level. It's not like that big of a deal. It's good.